2025 stands modified to the extent that the state shall not fill up 200 posts of constables out of the posts put up for recruitment, while the advertisement dated 6/10/2023. First up, the state would be at liberty to proceed with the to publish the select list as well as effect appointments against the remaining posts. First up, however, the state, while issuing appointment order, shall make it apparent that the appointments would be subject to the outcome of the proceedings in WPC number 1902/2025, WPC number 3172/2025, and one more.
First one I'm giving.
And
1802/2025.
and 1802/2025. With the above observations and directions, the interlocutory application stands disposed of. What?
That I have not got the copy just now. I have not given. I paid for the opportunity for making submission, and the citation may kindly be recorded.
It's already recorded, your submissions. If there is something you can show up.
It may be reflected, my lord. Kindly.
A writ petitioner likha, as directed earlier, registry to list this matters again on 14/10/2025.
Highly obliged, lord. My lord, my
Mr. Talukdar,
party
you're
will
not
my lord,
understanding.
I have not made submission properly, my lord. That's why, my lord, make.
No, see, there is
I
no
have to answer that.
prejudice cost to
I have
you.
my lord. Only
You have
to
no
record.
prejudice is cost
My
to
lord,
you.
only to record, my lord, that I have made
Okay.
submission. This.
Mr. Upar Likhisana, Mr. A.K. Talukdar vehemently objects
I have no
to
copy.
the consideration of the present interlocutory
time,
application on the ground that the copy was served upon him today only.
Lordship,
Today only. He submits that the matter be not taken up today and be adjourned to another and be adjourned
till
and
14th, my
fixed
lord.
and till 14/10/2025. Mr. Saikia, learned Advocate General on instruction submit that the copy was attempted to be served
From
upon
7th.
Huh?
Day before yesterday, we attempted.
on 7th
Yesterday, today.
7 from attempted to be served was attempted to be served upon the Learned Council for the petitioner with effect from 7/10/2025. However, the same
I was
was
out of station, my lord.
same was not received by the petitioner. For be that as it may,
I was
be
out of
that
station,
as
my
it
lord.
may,
Kindly may be recorded. I out of station.
considering
What was I
the
received?
submissions made by Mr. D. Saikia, that the state undertakes to reserve 200 posts of constables out of the posts put up for recruitment, while the advertisement dated 6/10/2023, this court proceeds to consider the present interlocutory application in spite of the objections raised by Mr. A.K. Talukdar in the matter, by noticing that the modification would not cause any prejudice to the interest of the petitioner.
Highly obliged. I was out of station. Allegation is recorded, my lord. Answer is not. I was out of station.
You
my
take that ground that you made a submission that this court refused to record that.
lord, that is
You take that ground. The recruitment process should not be.
I have said on the last day that this station is not done. Today is everything.
That maybe
they are taking time.
some misunderstanding.
Answer, my lord.
Okay.
Suddenly they have raised, my lord.
Okay. Next.
70.
Listening.
Well, in this case, up to the CD was called for.